ServiceTrade has helped us grow significantly. In just 3 years, we have grown at least 400%.
When we started with ServiceTrade, we were running about 10 to 11 vans, and now we're running about 65 vans. So we couldn't have done that without ServiceTrade.
Our customers love it because they get instantaneous answers on what we're working on. They can get pictures, they can get videos. They're very satisfied instead of getting an email 4 weeks after we showed up.
The drag and drop feature has just been super helpful, making it so you can do last minute edits, whether it be on site or in the field or in the office. It's been just wonderful.
ServiceTrade has improved our billing process because a good portion of our portfolio is preventative maintenance work, meaning that we already have the contracted amounts. So as soon as the job is marked complete, we can just go straight to invoicing and create the invoice because all the items are already in ServiceTrade and held in there.
We utilize ServiceTrade's tag function to track tech efficiency, to track recall rate, IVR paperwork, and over the last 2 months, we've seen a 13% increase in tech efficiency.
Probably the most important thing we've gained from ServiceTrade is the professionalism, the thoroughness of those reports, and customers love it.
So the benefits of ServiceTrade being able to turn and burn those invoices is obviously the cash flow. The more that we can build daily, the better our cash flow becomes. It really only takes one person, maybe an hour a day, to turn and burn all of those invoices.
We could eventually get to things like revenue per head count or days to invoice or number of work orders that are open. But with ServiceTrade, a lot of that information is really at our fingertips now. So it doesn't take a large manual effort to get to the information that's really important on how to manage our service business.
If you're considering ServiceTrade, I would switch now. We switched 5 years ago, and I couldn't imagine our business today without it.